Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this look for you guys. I call this look a very, very bold, bright Christmas holiday look. So this is not for, the people who are kind of scared of color. This is for those who like to be bold, bright, festive, and things like that for the holiday season, holiday parties, or, what have you. You guys know what to do before we get started. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to comment, like, and share. And let's get into the video. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna get started. Going to be using my 39 Hit the Lights Morphe palette. It's actually the 39L palette. And these are the colors. Look how pretty those colors are. I'm going to be using my P. Louise base Rumor number 3. Just going to take a little brush and go in and cover my entire eyelid. I'm just gonna blend out this little edge part. Make sure all that is smooth and together. And what I'm gonna do is, you guys, this video is mainly gonna be focused on the eye area. Mainly gonna be focused on the eye area. You guys have seen me do my foundation, highlight, contour, blush. You've seen me do that a million times. So this is mainly just gonna be focused on this eye look that you see here. I'm gonna do one eye on camera and the other eye off camera. This is a 252 matte brush. I'm just gonna take a little brush and blend it out. You guys, it is like 12 something here. I woke up probably an hour or two ago, so this is why you see these lines I have on my face, but whatever, because I'm gonna be glam in a few. I've already primed my face. I already did my brows, as you can see. Just gonna take a little bit of translucent powder. Tap off the excess and use that to set my lid. So that way when I'm ready to apply my shadows, they will just glide right on. And I'm pressing it in, because I don't want any creasing. And you want to do the same thing underneath. You guys, I got my little cute mirror from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the Alyssa. This is part of the Alyssa Edwards collection. I think it's so cute with the little rhinestones on the back. And it says Beast. I don't know if you guys can see that. But that's so cute. And you guys know I love pink. So, of course, I was going to pick this. First color I'm going to use as a transition color is going to be this color right here. And it is called Hookup. So I'm going to start with this first in my crease area. And you guys, my brushes are stained. My brushes are clean, but they are stained. So just keep that in mind. And I'm going to go into the crease area lightly. It's a lot of product, but I'm going in lightly. And I am keeping it low. So I'm going to start off with this brown. And don't worry about the edges. I will clean that up later. I'm going to add this shade right here. It's called My Type. I'm going to use this to smooth out these edges here, so we're not looking so rough. And you guys, let me tell you about this palette, because this palette, I was kind of iffy about it. I'm like, I'm drawn to colors, and I love Morphe palettes. I used to be really hooked on, who was that? I can't remember the name, but when Morphe started making like these big palettes, these bigger palettes that they make now, I just became so addicted. So I was kind of iffy about this one, but I was at Ulta a few weeks ago, and I just went and got it. I was just like, forget it, let me just get it. I can't remember if I got it on sale or not, but oh well. And I'm using a 224, MAC 224 blending brush. Very important that you blend. And I have a lot of eye space, so if I go up a little far, it's okay. As long as it looks faded, that's the goal. You want to go from dark to light. You put this sheet over, they have it divided up into 4 sections. So I use these 2 colors, but I'm mainly going to be working from this section today, which I think is really pretty. Okay, so the next color that I'm going to use is called Hot Stuff. And you guys can see right here that this is a true red. I might bounce between here and here, which is Hot Stuff and Serve Looks, okay? Hot Stuff, Serve Looks. Let's just start off with a little hot stuff first. I've never used red eyeshadow, by the way, so this will be my first time. I'm just gonna dip it and keep it right in my crease area. Don't forget to blend out those edges. But you want to leave that little spot open. I'm looking for a dark maroon color. Found it. Dose of Colors, Blushing Berries, this shade right here, and that is called Mixed Berries. So I'm gonna darken my crease with Mixed Berries. Then I'm going to take the same Mixed Berries and I'm going to apply it to my waterline. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with the red that I showed you earlier. This section, I'm going to put this on the lid to start daring. A dense flat brush like this, and I'm going to apply it to the middle. Okay. And I'm just going to blend the edges in like that. I still have product on here. I'm not applying new product. I'm just taking what's already on my brush and blending the edges in. And I'm just going to use this as a base because I'm going to put more on top of this. I'm going to take a little bit of my mixing medium glitter glue. And I'm going to apply some Reflex Red on top. We're going to see how this looks. If I don't like it, I'll switch it up and add something else. Take a little bit of that, add it to the center. Because I'm only going to put the Reflex here in the center. And then before this dries, I'm going to take a little bit of Popping Candy by P. Louise. It's a loose light pink base because I want to give it some dimension. So I'm gonna add a little bit of this to the center. Just to give it a little bit of, oh, that's pretty. You guys see that? I'll give it a little bit more. I'm really impressed by this P. Louise. This is like some really super fine. Look how it looks on my brush. I don't know if you can see it. Really super fine glitter. What I'm going to do now is complete my other eye, and then I'm going to do liner, lashes, mascara. Again, like I stated before, this look is mainly going to be about the eyes. So I'm going to do the rest of my face, and then I'll be back to do lips, and we'll add highlighter. And voila, just like that, I'm back. Both eyes have been completed. I've added liner, lashes, mascara. Did something with my hair, and threw on some cute little earrings, some cute little party earrings. These are little Christmas bows and rose gold. Okay, so now all we have to do, and I've done my face, the rest of my face, as you can see. So all we have to do now is I'm gonna go ahead and set my face and do my highlighter using the MAC Fix Plus setting spray. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Golden Bronze by MAC Cosmetics. This is my highlighter. I'm going to take this and apply my highlighter. Center. Gonna add just a little bit more to the bridge of the nose. So I've added my favorite lipstick. This is Riri Woo by MAC. This is my personal lipstick that I keep in my purse. I don't use this on my clients. So I'm just gonna go over that a little bit. Should I do liner? Should I not do liner? I'm gonna do a little bit of liner, just a little bit. And then for my liner, I'm gonna use Vino Lip Pencil by MAC. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. Please stay tuned. I have more videos on the way. Again, happy holidays, and I will see you in my next video.